Hi everyone. Okay, my H3D3 gimbal seems to have a problem. I just got this whole setup yesterday, which is brand new, just bought it, and it has this really horrible noise that it makes. I have the controller on. Now let me turn it on and you'll see the problem. Funny thing is, when I installed it yesterday, it wasn't doing that. Today, got up this morning, somebody said he had a problem, and I said, hey, well, mine's not doing that. And now, look at it, it's doing the same thing, and it won't stop. So if anybody has a solution, please drop it in the comments. It's been calibrated, recalibrated, and whatnot. You know, I really don't know what to do. Okay, thanks a lot, guys. Okay, adding this to the video, there's just going to be a cut in it. I think I have found out what the solution is. Last night, after I had played with it, I counterbalanced it with a penny coin. Now that I've removed the coin, it doesn't seem to be doing it anymore. Have a look. And let's tilt. See? It's back to where I had it yesterday. So I think that coin must have been causing quite a bit of problems. Hey, that could be the solution for others, I have no idea. But hey, I'm kind of pleased that I just figured that out.